28, downhill. Sorry for the wind noise. I don't have my microphone. All right, so we're about to take the purple HOVSCO out on a test ride, but you got to do what first?
You need to scan the QR code so that you can get an activation tutorial and unlock the e-bike speed limit.
Okay, let's do it.
We're gonna try. So I've turned my bike on. I've connected to the HOVSCO app on my phone. It's me. It'll track me, where I've gone, what I've done. You can change your settings to get from a class 2 to a class 3. I've done that.
Unlock, you mean?
Unlock, yeah, sure. And now,
moment of truth. It's officially yours now. You ready to take a test ride?
I'm gonna give it a whirl.
All right, let's do it. And then I've got my red bad boy over here. And I've already unlocked mine and downloaded the app. And boom, it's like a brand new phone.
HOVSCO, do better with tabs.
Tabs, yeah, mine didn't have a pull tab. Come on now, that took teamwork. All right, here we go. Nice bright screen. Let's go test it in the sunlight.
You asked, we delivered. Now we have memberships. You can join Wander Wisely and be a part of our adventure. You can be a weekender, a boondocker, or a wanderer. Each level has different benefits, some of which are seeing our videos early, getting merchandise, or just following along for the adventure. So join. And don't forget to get your Spreco merchandise at the Spreco shop. Show your pride, represent your vehicle, and support Wander Wisely. We love you.
Here we go. Brakes. Seats adjusted to the right height. And there's Jodi down there. Feels pretty solid so far. Do a little ride around the campus. What are your first impressions?
First impressions are, it's a great size.
Yes.
I love the size for someone who is 5'2". This is like,
And I'm 6'2", so there's a foot difference and I still feel okay on it.
yeah, I'm enjoying that. I find that when I'm riding on pedal assist, I have it just on pedal assist 1, it's a little like jerky, like
Okay. I have mine on pedal assist 5, so it really takes off. It is a little jerky. It's a little herky-jerky, but once the power kicks in, it goes. They should include a suspension seat post because it's a hardtail. That would be nice to have suspension in the rear end. The seat could be a little more comfortable, right?
a little bit. I mean, it's not the worst I've ever been on.
It's not the worst seat.
But it's certainly not the softest.
Right.
Either.
I already feel like it's kind of hard. But I'm also used to more of a scooter seat. And unfortunately, my rear light doesn't work. I think the wire got pinched because we checked the wire going all the way from the rear light all the way up to the display, and I don't see anything that is loose. But when you fold the bike, you can see that there's a wire going in between where you fold, where it comes together, and it looks like a wire is being pinched. And if we had to guess, that's probably the tail light wire. Great colors though, the purple and the red. So it's a little bit lighter,
Yeah,
and
a lot lighter.
possibly the same amount of power as the electric, but the lighter makes it easier to get up the hill.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay,
For sure.
well that's good. I like the mag wheels too, it's a sharp look.
The other thing I really like, before you wrap up, the step through. So easy for someone my height, in and out, really nice.
You know, I'm not a big fan of step through, but I really like it too because like I can just boop boop,
Yep.
and you're done. Like, cause my other bike, you know, I have to kick my leg around the back, but I'm used.
Especially yours.
Yeah, I know, I'm used to it, but this is like super easy to get on and off.
Very nice.
And even you had to, even though you're 5'2", you thought you had to slam the seat down.
I needed to put it up a little bit, so that when I'm pedaling, my knees aren't coming up too high.
Right.
Which is nice because one of the problems I have with my electric is that I do have to have the seat all the way down.
Right.
And it hits my rear rack.
That's true. I think
Because
that's all.
that one's just like, that bike is probably about an inch or an inch and a half too big for me.
What do you think about it being a hardtail? Did you notice much?
It's stiff.
It's stiff, yeah.
She's a stiff one.
So they should come with one of those suspension seat posts. That'll get rid of that
Yeah.
about 80%, you know?
Yeah, it wasn't terrible, but definitely, you know.
But that's an aftermarket thing people can do.
Yeah,
you know,
for sure.
It's, you know, 90 or $100 for a new.
Yeah.
And if you get a new suspension seat post, you can also upgrade your seat.
Yes, you could get a bigger, cushier, like a cloud. What do they call those?
Yeah, I think it is called a Cloud 9.
Cloud 9.
Yeah,
Which
it's a big butt seat.
Yes.
But the display, I like the display. It's easy to read in the sunlight.
Yes, actually it is. First impressions, good ride.
Yeah. What'd you give it 0 out of 10? This is just a very small first impression.
For the ride, probably 7.5.
And then for the build? No. For the sturdiness of the bike.
Sturdiness of the bike,
You felt by riding it for 5 minutes.
yeah, probably 7.5, 8.
And then building the bike out of the box.
4.
Okay, I think that's generous because the build takes a lot out of you. There are things that are on that shouldn't be on and things that are off that shouldn't be off.
Yeah, it feels a little lazy that you have to install the rear fender when the bike comes with the rear wheel on.
Right.
The fender could have been on, the rack could have been on.
And we're saying these things because we've put a lot of bikes
A lot
together.
of bikes. Here's the thing, this whole end was built when it came, you know, the wheel was on.
Right.
So there's no reason that these other parts shouldn't have been on as well.
I like the extension on the handlebars. I like the length because
it looks like it's actually, like you said, it's interestingly enough, both great for a tall person and a short person.
Right. And I like the brakes. I haven't really had a chance to test out the front suspension.
Mm-hmm.
The battery came almost fully charged,
Yes.
which was nice because we didn't have to, waste a lot.
Didn't have to
And I'm
wait.
used to putting bikes together, so that's the first thing I usually do is grab the battery and charge it.
Right.
But this was probably 90% charged. I don't like how it only comes with a 2-amp charger. So if the battery was dead, it's going to take a lot longer to charge.
Right.
Usually you'll get a 3 to 5 amp charger. So I understand, you want to save a little money and get 2-amp charger. That's great. All right, so we're going to do a full city ride eventually. We're going to do a campground ride eventually. When we're going to take these and fold them and put them in our Subaru and or in our RV. And we're going to test it out and do 3 or 4 videos and show you guys what we think of the HOVSCO HovBeta.
Sunrise glow on the California coast. Charge full up, yeah, I'm ready to coast. Rolling through the streets where the ocean breeze blows. HovBeta riding, everybody knows. Cruising like a king down Cannery Road. Don't throttle down as I go, go, go. From downtown streets to the harbor view. Every mile I ride feels so brand new. 1300 watts in foldable frame, no shame. All game with a 60-mile range. Smooth suspension when the road gets rough. HovBeta shining when the ride gets tough. HovSCO HovBeta. HovSCO HovBeta. Riding by the ocean, yeah, the sun shines better. Cruising Monterey, couldn't feel no better. HovSCO HovBeta. HovSCO, ay, HovBeta, ay, 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 ay. Past the wharf where the sea lions play. 48 volts in a perfect day. Checking stats on the app and riding by the shore. Every turn is
Dun, 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 dun. What's up, Ponch? You're supposed to say, what's up, John?
What's up, John?
Just a couple of 80s CHP officers.
Out for a bike ride?
That's right. But we're going to spot some trouble pretty soon, probably. I like how they lock the main gate of the fairgrounds. Like, we don't know how to get in. Watch, I'm not going to be able to get in. Make a right turn. So you should be able to go up here and make a right. And nonchalantly just do-do-do-do. And then see if they call the cops on us. Unless you want to ride through the campground for a second on the left. Go check it out because you've never been back here before.
sunrise, climbing through the windshield glass. Starbucks tea in the tank of gas. The road ahead is open wide. John and Jodi side by side. Laughter packed in every bag. Tripod bouncing in the bag. Hit record and let it roll. Another state, another toll. Windows down, let the wind blow free. Chasing sunsets by the sea. Every mile's a memory, and the echo rolling steadily. Wander wisely, chasing skies so bright. Headlights dancing through the night. From mountain high to ocean blue, every road feels fresh and wander wisely. Wild and free, they're both riding happily. Life's a story, frame by frame. Hit subscribe, they're glad you came. Yeah, desert dust on the dashboard now. Snow-capped peaks in the roadside vibe. Finding diners with neon glow. Stories only travelers know. Tall grass swaying in the breeze. Smelling pine and salty seas. Campfire sparks and starry dome. Every highway feels like home. Storm clouds fade to golden light. Editing footage late at night. Laughing at the blooper scenes. Living out their travel dreams. Wander wisely, chasing skies so bright. Headlights dancing through the night. Through canyon roads and city lights. Tiny towns and famous sights. Wander wisely, heart cities. Rolling with the memories. Life's a story, frame by frame. Every journey's worth the name. From the coast of California, sun, to the plains where rivers run. Echo humming like a song. Wherever wheels may roam along. Hearts beat like a metronome. Keeping rhythm far from home. If you're lost, just come and see. The world's one big community. Pack it up, let's go again. Yeah.
All right, let's go over some grass and see how it handles that.
Rewind, just forward views, different roads.
I'm getting yelled at by the seagulls. It's not bad. I just had a flashback of Alcatraz.
Oh, the bird.
The bird. Remember the seagulls got mad when I put the drone up in the air?
No, we didn't do that.
Well, yeah, because it's illegal.
See the drone on Alcatraz.
Yeah, I didn't do that.
What are you talking about?
Oddly enough, though, that footage didn't even transfer to my phone. So I got
You know
no...
why?
Because the FAA took it. Somehow. Maybe I didn't hit record. I was so nervous by the time, you know what I mean? I never even hit record. That was funny. All right, so nice little trip. What are some thoughts?
Thoughts. It's very light. It's easy to get on and off. The step through is great. I love that feature. I love that it's lower, so smaller wheels than my electric, which for me is great because I can reach the ground without having to have the seat all the way down. The handlebars and the seat are both adjustable, so you can see John's are much higher.
Yeah.
So it's great for tall, great for short. Those are all pros. I find the pedal assist a bit surgy.
It is, but I kind of got
compared
used to it.
Others that I have ridden.
That's-
It's not bad, it's just different.
Right.
I'm sure I'd get used to it over time.
Oddly enough, you think on Pedal Assist 5 that would be worse, but it's actually better.
Is it?
It's like smoother because the more you consistently pedal. By the way, I
Right.
pedaled this whole time. I wasn't using the thumb throttle, which is odd for me
Yeah,
because I wanted to see how herky-jerky it would be.
yeah.
But it was actually pretty good on PAS 5.
Oh, well, I was on 2 and 3. I don't ever ride on pedal assist 4 or 5
No, you
unless
don't.
I'm on a super steep hill or street.
On our way
something
home,
like
I'm going to test the
speed.
top speed,
that. Yeah.
which I'm guessing is going to be around 27, 28 maybe.
Okay.
What do you think of the colors?
I love the colors. I actually really like the purple a lot. The red's a little bright for me, but I like it. Like, I love the metallic.
Safety red.
It is safety red. It's a really nice red. It
Yeah,
just
and-
wouldn't be my choice.
and the
but
silver.
I love
The silver graphics look really
yeah,
cool on it
no,
too.
I think they look really nice. I like the rear rack that
Yeah.
comes with that. We also have front baskets. We just haven't installed them yet.
Yep.
I love a good rack and a basket.
What was our concern with the front basket?
We thought they might be in the way when you fold it, but actually they're not.
Hmm.
It's designed to stay on and not. It doesn't make the bike wider, and it doesn't hit anything when you fold.
Right.
So that's actually really thoughtful on their part.
It doesn't make it longer either, because
No.
by the time you swing the back around, it stays within that
The
imaginary.
same confines, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That same box.
Exactly.
So yeah, overall, overall, I think it's a nice bike.
Come on. Step out the door like I own the street. Gold on my wrist, heat on my feet. Mirror said, dang, when I brush my curls. I'm not rich, just rule the world. Pop 2 buttons on my vintage coat. Thrift tag still hanging, let the haters glow. Got 12 in a mixtape dream. Still looking like I'm dipped in whipped cream. Cruising down Main on a neon bike. Slicker than Sinatra on a Saturday night. I got charm, like your grandma's couch. Velvet soul, let me flex this clout. Ain't about dollars, it's the vibe I bring. Snapbacks, boom bap, soul on a string. Turn the corner and the bass goes boom. Sunset struck when I walk in the room. I'm fresh like this, too clean to miss. Yeah, whole squad lit like the 90s didn't quit. We roll like this.
Here we go. Speed tests. Full throttle. Full send. Let's go. 12, 15, 19, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25. Hurry up. I'm approaching this red light. 26. Come on, you can do it. 26. We're maxed at 26. Come on, you can do 27. Stay green. I know it'll go faster downhill over here. Let's see what I can get downhill. Oh, there's 27, 28. Check it out. Just passing Jodi. Hi, Jodi. And we're going to check this top speed out. 28. Downhill. Sorry for the wind noise. I don't have my microphone. 28, 28. Must have a sensor because it's only going 28. All right. That's the top speed, boys and girls, because it is rated as a class 3 and they got to obey the laws. So there you go. That was fun, though. Kind of exhilarating, too. That'll wrap up the speed test.
That's a wrap on our inaugural ride on our HOVSCO HovBeta bikes. We'll see you down the road.
I think the crow agrees with you.